Hey everybody, so growing nutritious food doesn't require a huge outdoor garden. We grow a lot of our food indoors, and today I'm going to show you how I sprout mung bean seeds in my kitchen and eat them every day of the week. So today I want to show you how much I start off with as far as grams of seed and what I wind up with as far as grams of food. So I usually have the scale tiered out at 0. So I usually just put a thin layer on the bottom of a mason jar. That is roughly 12 grams. We're going to start off with that. And I soak the seeds with distilled water overnight for about 8 hours. Once I have the water and I let the seeds soak, I just put the cap on here. This is actually a strainer cap. The link for this is in the description box below. This is super cheap, really easy, reusable, and I'll just let these soak for 8 hours. So 7 days later, we have these beautiful mung bean sprouts. So I'm going to take them out, zero out this strainer, and see how many grams of sprouts we actually got. So they do have some water in there, but not too much. All right. So it looks like we got 73 grams of sprouts in one little mason jar. So now I'm going to wash these, break them up, stir fry them with some onions, and incorporate them into my meals.